Question 1. What is the capital city of Odisha? A. Bhubaneswar. B. Kolkata. C. Mumbai. D. Chennai. The answer is A. Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar is not just Odisha's capital but also a city famous for its ancient temples, like the Lingaraj temple. It's called the Temple City of India for a reason. Question 2. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Sardar Patel. D. Indira Gandhi. The answer is A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru took office in 1947, becoming India's first Prime Minister. His birthday, 14th November, is celebrated as Children's Day in India. Question 3. Which river flows through the city of Cuttack in Odisha? A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Mahandi. D. Godavari. The answer is C. Mahandi. The Mahandi River flows through Cuttack and is often referred to as the lifeline of Odisha. However, due to frequent flooding, it is also called the Sorrow of Odisha. Question 4. What is the famous classical dance form of Odisha? A. Kathak. B. Odissi. C. Bharatanatyam. D. Kuchipudi. The answer is B. Odissi. Odissi is a classical dance form that originated in Odisha and is known for its graceful movements and spiritual themes, often depicting stories from Hindu mythology. Question 5. What is the national animal of India? A. Elephant. B. Lion. C. Tiger. D. Peacock. The answer is C. Tiger. The Bengal tiger is India's national animal, symbolizing strength and beauty. It is an endangered species, and conservation efforts are in place to protect it. Question 6. In which year did India become independent? A. 1942. B. 1947. C. 1950. D. 1965. The answer is B. 1947. India gained independence from British rule on 15 August 1947, a historic day celebrated annually as Independence Day. Question 7. Which famous temple in Puri is dedicated to Lord Jagannath? A. Sun Temple. B. Jagannath Temple. C. Konark Temple. D. Lingaraj Temple. The answer is B. Jagannath Temple. The Jagannath Temple in Puri is one of the most sacred Hindu temples, famous for its annual Rath Yatra festival, where deities are taken on grand chariots. Question 8. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? A. APJ Abdul Kalam. B. Ratan Tata. C. Narendra Modi. D. Sachin Tendulkar. The answer is A. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a renowned scientist and former President of India, known for his contributions to India's missile development and space programs. Question 9. Which is the largest state in India by area? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Rajasthan. C. Maharashtra. D. Madhya Pradesh. The answer is B. Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state in India by area, known for its vast deserts, historical forts, and rich cultural heritage. Question 10. What is the traditional dress for women in Odisha? A. Sari. B. Salwar kameez. C. Lehenga choli. D. Anarkali. The answer is A. Sari. Women in Odisha traditionally wear saris, with famous varieties like Sambalpuri and Bomkai, known for their intricate hand-woven patterns. Question 11. Who wrote India's national anthem, Jana Gana Mana? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. C. Subhash Chandra Bose. D. Lata Mangeshkar. The answer is A. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore, a Nobel Prize-winning poet, composed Jana Gana Mana in 1911. He also wrote the national anthem of Bangladesh. Question 12. Which festival in Odisha celebrates the harvest season? A. Diwali. B. Nuakhai. C. Holi. D. Durga Puja. The answer is B. Nuakhai. Nuakhai is a major festival celebrated in western Odisha, marking the first consumption of newly harvested crops. Question 13. What is the currency of India? A. Dollar. B. Rupee. C. Yen. D. Euro. The answer is B. Rupee. The Indian rupee is the official currency of India. The symbol was introduced in 2010 to represent India's economic identity. Question 14. Who built the Sun Temple at Konark in Odisha? A. Ashoka. B. Narsinghadeva I. C. Akbar. D. Shivaji. The answer is B. Narsinghadeva I. The Sun Temple at Konark was built in the 13th century by King Narsinghadeva I. It is designed as a massive chariot dedicated to the sun god. Question 15. What's the highest mountain peak in India? A. Mount Everest. B. Kanchenjunga. C. Nanda Devi. D. K2. The answer is B. Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga, located in Sikkim, is the highest mountain peak in India, standing at 8,586 meters above sea level. Question 16. What sweet dish is famously offered at the Jagannath temple? A. Laddu. B. Rasgulla. C. Kheer. D. China Poda. The answer is D. China Poda. China Pod is a famous sweet dish from Odisha, made from baked cottage cheese and sugar, and is offered as prasad at the Jagannath temple. Question 17. Who led the famous Dandi Salt March in 1930? A. Bhagat Singh. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The answer is B. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi led the Dandi Salt March as a non-violent protest against British salt taxation, marking a major event in India's independence movement. Question 18. Which bird is Odisha's Chilika Lake famous for hosting in winter? A. Sparrow. B. Flamingo. C. Peacock. D. Eagle. The answer is B. Flamingo. Chilika Lake, Asia's largest coastal lagoon, attracts thousands of migratory birds, including flamingos, during the winter season. Question 19. What's the official language of India? A. Hindi. B. English. C. Tamil. D. There's no official language. The answer is D. There's no official language. India does not have a national language. Hindi and English are widely used, and 22 languages are officially recognized by the Constitution. Question 20. Which Indian cricketer is nicknamed Master Blaster? A. Virat Kohli. B. Sachin Tendulkar. C. Rohit Sharma. D. MS Dhoni. The answer is B. Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar, one of the greatest batsmen in cricket history, earned the nickname Master Blaster for his extraordinary batting skills and records.